We did a full web build with focus on ease of use, especially. It's a new concept, obviously many designs for this brand, Twisties. It's a nil film, innovative, patented product from this Dutch young girl who developed this for over 3 years. Very cool new brand and product. The main goal is to sell this to nail artists and people in the nail industry. So ease of use. When you're on the product page, when you click the design, it should have been easy to browse all the other designs on the product page, add everything to cart quickly. That was the main objective, and I think we succeeded in that. I think the site looks great, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. With clients like Twisties, for example, the workflow we use for Instant is basically take them through previews. Because it's so easy to design and create concepts, create ideas, visualize ideas, we just let clients see what we're doing. And obviously, because you can make it functional straight away, you don't have to, for example, first draw something in Figma, then copy it to Instant and make it functional. You can basically, it's just as easy now to just straight away do it in Instant. So we try to involve the clients completely into the process and show them everything we do. We usually start first with a homepage concept for the style and then all the elements that we're using and to get them like a good idea of what we're going to build and translate that style and everything onto the other pages. Basically we only do Instant projects from now on. It's so good and complete, and it's so easy to use, and you can create basically everything that you can think of. That it's for us now the go-to tool when we're designing new websites or when we're doing a CRO project or whatever. It's basically only Shopify with Instant from now on. So the main thing for me that makes my life and job easier since I started using Instant is the developing struggles with Shopify. So since using Instant, you can basically build everything you want without having to code or without having any limitations from Shopify. So from custom product pages to whatever, it's just became so much easier with Instant. It's fast, it's easy to use, the support is amazing. I can see myself custom coding and changing current Shopify themes, developing. We've done some crazy custom stuff with partners and with other freelancers together to build basically whatever you can think of in Shopify. But since Instant, like 90% of that is no longer needed. You can just basically build everything in there, and makes it so much easier also that you do the preview modes. You can just take clients straight through what you're designing. Favorite feature on Instant, I think I would have said Figma to Instant initially, but now, like building a few stores and websites on Instant already, I got quite, well, I won't say good, but got the hang of it, the platform, and with the support and all the things that the guys are teaching me as well. Like, I think I got the hang of it quite well now. So I'm actually not designing things a lot in Figma anymore. It's just straight into an Instant actually. So I maybe would say now repeat on is my favorite function. So if you create something like a product grid or whatever, or a product thingy, and you just want to repeat that across the page or whatever in the slider you have, I love that feature. It's very easy. And components is also very nice. Made life much more easy as well. I think my main tip for Instant users already that not like fully use or understand the platform, just keep using it. It only gets better and better. We did a few full Instant sites now, and the ease of use and the freedom and flexibility you have in creating exactly what you want or you think works best is so nice compared to using standard Shopify themes. And that, I think, brings me on to why other agencies should consider using Instant. Firstly, from a price perspective, a custom theme, which probably every year you're going to switch to a new one anyways, because you need some custom new things that are in one or whatever, is more expensive than the starter contract on Instant, which basically gives you everything you need. So if you want ease of use, if you want flexibility in your designs, if you want to create really nice things instead of using what everybody uses, then switch to Instant, I would say.